the time, still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray.
Hey guys, it's your girl Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. Okay, so as you guys can tell by the title of this video, this will be a makeup tutorial on how to get this eyeshadow look. I did not do my face in this video because y'all can go look at any other video and see my face. I always do my face in my videos, but this time I wanted to just focus on the eyes because they were a little bit more difficult than like my other eyeshadow tutorial. So I wanted to focus on the eyes. But if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Hey guys, so the first thing that we're going to be doing is applying some concealer. This is the Kat Von D concealer. This one is in the shade Cool. This is the mini version. I'm just taking a Real Technique doming brush to blend the concealer out before I set it with the Patrick Star setting powder with a fluffy brush. And then we're just going to go ahead and get into some tape. You guys know I like to use this just so I, don't be all over the place. It kind of helps your eyeshadow stay neat. So this is a really good tip if you are getting into eyeshadow. But the first shadow we're going to put down is one of the shadows in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. You guys know I post like the pictures or whatever on the screen, so you guys can see exactly what shadow I'm using. But that was for the transition area. Now I'm placing this really pretty magenta, hot pinkish, purple shade right below the transition area and above the crease. So it's not directly into the crease, but it's not the transition area either. So yes, I'm just going to be packing this on. You guys, I actually have a video that's coming out after this one on all the brushes that I use to do my makeup. So don't worry. Now I just placed some ColourPop concealer in the shade Fair to cut my crease. You guys know you have to use a concealer that's super light so that those colors show up, because if I use one that's the color of my skin, it's not going to show up the actual color. So I'm just cutting the crease, and I decided I wanted to do kind of a halo eye look where you put, the darker shades on the outer portions and then you put the lighter shade in the inside. So this is pretty much that. It's like a cut crease slash halo. But I'm packing this purple shade on. I thought this was the shimmer shade, but it actually wasn't. It was a matte shade. So I ended up going back in with the shimmer purple shade that's in the same palette. But I placed this one down first just so that I could really get that pigment. But as you guys can see how slow I'm packing that shade on, I kind of wanted to do this video in real time. At least like the more important parts of it in real time, so you guys can see like how slow I move. Because I think you guys think that I be doing my eyeshadow in like 6 minutes. And that's not the case. But yeah, now I'm just packing on that shimmery purple. So, and I'm just taking a silvery pigment that's in that palette as well. And I'm just placing that directly in the middle, and it just looks so good. So now with my NYX Matte Liquid Liner in the shade Black, I'm just doing a small wing, nothing too dramatic because the eyes are already dramatic. So the wing, you don't even have to do a wing if you don't want to. I just did one because I'm just used to doing it. Now I'm just going to be applying some mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal. I can't even think of the name of it. I know it's the Maybelline Colossal. Oh, Pump It Up Colossal Volume Express Mascara in black, of course. And I have to tell you guys it's in black because one time I went to, I think it was Walmart, to get a mascara. And I thought they all come in black, honey. The one I picked up was brown, and I was pissed. Okay, but I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. But now I'm just taking a small detailed brush for like liners or whatever, and I'm applying this white gel liner in my waterline because I'm going to be doing green in the waterline as well as on the lower lash line. So you do have to put a base down to make the colors actually pop. So I'm using white, and now I'm just taking this lip brush by Morphe, and I'm taking that neon green shade. I'm just patting that onto the waterline. Be careful with this because the eyeshadow can get in your eye. It got in my eyes like literally the whole time I was doing it, and it does itch. But I mean, for the look, you have to do what you have to do. So yeah, now I'm just going to take a pencil brush and apply the same shade on the lower lash line. Looking back at it, I wish I would have did some white on the lower lash line, like the gel liner brought it down. But I mean, it was okay. It just gave it a different look. It almost made it look like it was glowing because of the difference between the waterline and the lower lash line. But now I'm just applying some of that same mascara on the lower lashes. I was going to say lower lash line, lower lashes, and I'm just taking this really icy shade into the inner corner highlight. Y'all know I love to do inner corner highlight. It almost looks purple on camera, but it's actually a white. So I guess mixing it with the purple eyeshadow kind of made it like a lavender shade. But now I'm just lining my lips using my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Espresso. Y'all, this is how slow I do my lips. I know on camera, like, I'm really trying to figure out if I should do like speed up my videos or do it in real time, because I feel like you guys think that I do my makeup in 15 seconds and I'm done, and that's actually not the case. It's very deceiving, I guess, when I speed it up. So I'm gonna try not to do that as much. But yeah, I'm just applied the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Stripped. And then I'm going to apply a MAC lip gloss over top. I think it's the lip gloss in Dress to Dazzle, if I'm not mistaken. Let me look, because I have my makeup pouch right here, so I can tell you guys exactly what gloss I'm using. It's the Dazzleglass in the shade Sugarrimmed. I love this shade, and it actually has like some glitter specks in it that are like pink, purple, and turquoise, so it kind of like really pulled this look together. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments that you have down below. And yeah, also the deets on this makeup, every eyeshadow I used, lips, face, all those products will be down below in the description box, so check that out. And yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye you guys.